So what's up guys, it's Prosper here again, and here's another video. In this video I'll show you guys how you can create an online wallet system, or you can say an online banking system, or you want to create a virtual banking system where your users can have a lot of wallet like USD wallet, Bitcoin wallet, Ethereum cryptocurrency, even fiat wallets such as pounds, dollars, naira. You want them to have all of those kind of wallets which they can use sending dollars, sending naira, sending every other currency, right? So as you can see right here from the home page, so let's start from the home page. It says making online banking much easier, just like your Chipper Cash, how you can create websites just like Chipper Cash, OPay, and the rest. So this online wallet and banking system is a very essential in a new sleek digital banking system, whereby the users don't need to go much process. You don't need to create an account, verify their KYC, and they start receiving and sending money from anywhere they are, from every part of the world. So quickly, as you can see how this is beautifully designed, you can see the animations and how sleek this website is. So it's really slick. So right here it says we are secure on stable platform. So you can see right here, this project also is integrated to mobile app. So it has this mobile app version whereby we use the API key to modify the mobile app. Okay, so as you can see right here, it has wallet for Bitcoin, for USD, for Ethereum, for every other cryptocurrencies, and fiat currency too. And as you can see, we serve you a complete wallet. As you can see, complete wallet system, right? As you can see, the design is so sleek, you will not want to wait. As you can see that we do a lot of fantastic projects on this site, so ensure you subscribe to the channel so that when we drop a fantastic project just like this, you'll be the first person to be notified about this awesome project. So let's see the other pages. So we have the about us page. So let's see the about us page. So as you can see, so you can take a time to read about this during your convenience, but let's proceed. So we have the API page, that is for the API documentation. So once you have the API access, you can use it to develop your mobile app. So both the mobile app and the website will be integrated with same database, and whatsoever that goes on the mobile app also reflects on the website, and whatsoever goes on the website also reflects on the mobile app. So this is so awesome. So let's see the blog page. So these are the blogs. We can do a lot of customization on this project. So we've been working on it and now it is ready. So we are showing you guys what we've been cooking and now it is ready. So if you need access to these resources, you can actually contact me on my WhatsApp number, which is going to be on the video description or at my channel description once you get this video. So this is pretty much of the pages. So we can also design the pages from the admin end. So I'm going to show you guys how you can fully utilize this project into what is going to be beneficiary. So quickly, let's see, we already have an account logged in. So on the account, as you can see right here, these are all of the mails I got when I was verifying the app, when I did my first deposit, right? When I did my first deposit, also my second deposit using Paystack. So it has a lot of payment gateway, which I'm going to show you guys real quick. So right, as you can see, these are the deposit I've made. So as you can see on my wallet, I have ₦1 million on my Naira wallet, and I have 100,000 as on my dollars wallet. So as you can see, so your users can have a lot of wallets. They can have wallets for, okay, let's just quickly assume on a deposit. So let's click on the deposit right here. So let's enter the amount. Let's say we just want to deposit that. So as you can see, so we can also create a lot of naira. We can not naira, I mean we can create a lot of currency, of which each currency is going to be on each wallet. Okay, so as you can see, let's say we want to deposit BTC. So the amount of BTC we want to deposit, let's say we want to deposit 10 BTC. So the gateway we want to use is CoinGate. So the amount is 10 BTC. So we're going to click on confirm right there. Then we'll click on confirm payment. As you can see how slick this is going. So let's click on submit. So order is not valid because of the API, the CoinGate API. We've not configured that. But let me take you back and make another deposit so that you see that this thing works very fantastically. So let's see for the engine. So let's say we want to deposit a little money. So let's select wallet. So we have Paystack for the engine. So this will click on confirm. We'll click on confirm. So we can click on submit. So just watch the way the payment system is. So it will prompt us to where we can use our card. So success bank authentication. So click on pay now. Click on authenticate. So payment successful. So as you can see, but the payment that was just made is on a demo testing, right? But when you've created your Paystack account, you get your credential, that is your user credential. You're gonna impute it into the admin section and you start receiving payment directly into your Paystack account. Okay, so we've quickly made the payment, a deposit. So let's another deposit. Let's say we want to deposit in our dollar wallet. So let's select gateway. So as you can see, these are the gateway for the dollar. So I can see bank, wire bank, and I click on confirm, and I click on confirm right there. So you're going to write the description. So for me, I'm going to write my description, paid. So I'm going to click on submit right there. So and that deposit has been made. So let's go back to the admin and configure all of this so that it makes a lot of sense. So we're going to approve that very shortly. So let's come for the transfer request. So let's say we want to transfer money. So receiver's email. So let's say this is receiver's email. Okay, this is already associated to the user. So let me see, I want to create another mail. So select wallet. So I want to pay from my, let me see, my dollar wallet. So the amount, I just want to pay $100 out. So I'm going to click on transfer. So I'm sending to that person's email. So once I click on confirm, it say receiver not found. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create another account real quick. So let's log out this account. Let's log out this user. And we're going to create another user so that we can transfer in between users. So let's say we want to register a new account. While registering, let me see one of my mails. So I'm going to use this. So let me just copy the link and paste right here. Okay, so let's copy the mail of this guy right here. So let's use this guy mail to create an account. So let's just enter a demo number. Let's just forge an address. Okay, so let's just make use of that address. So let's create a password. So let's create this account real quick, and we're going to verify this account so that we're going to make a transfer in between two accounts so that you see this functioning awesomely. So quickly let's check on our mailbox. So a verification code has been sent to our mailbox, so let's check that out very quick. So as you can see, it has already arrived, and the code is this. So we're going to copy this code right here, so let's verify. Okay, so this account has been verified, so let's take me to KYC. So I'm going to show you guys how you can also set up your KYC form so that it will be according to what you want. So the KYC that the person will be submitting will pertain to what you want for them. So right, so let's submit for the KYC. So that will be under review. So as you can see, your KYC data is under review. So I'm going to show you how you can also approve that from the admin section. So as you can see, your wallet currently now, because I choose Nigeria, so it's promptly showed me my wallet in Naira. So this is my default wallet in Naira because the country during my registration was Nigeria. So as you can see, this is super intelligent. It will automatically create a default wallet for you. Then every other wallet will not be optional or alternative wallet, while your default wallet will be the wallet pertaining to your country. Your country. Okay, so let's copy this guy mail again and let's transfer money to this guy. We want to make this guy rich, so let's see how we can make this guy rich. So let's quickly head back to our previous. Let's log in back. We ain't creating here. Okay, so we logged in, so let's transfer money now. So let's transfer money. So we're transferring to this guy. So amounts want to transfer. Okay, you see it automatically show that this receiver is found, right? You see right here, it's a valid receiver found. So this project works awesomely great. So I want to send this guy from my dollar. So I want to send me $1,000, and I'll click on transfer. Then I'll click on confirm right here, and let's see what's gonna happen. So it's loading. So you see money has been transferred successfully. So let's head back to our other user right here, and see if this guy has received the money. So let's refresh this guy page. So as you can see, this guy received the money. So this is working awesomely great. So he received what? $1,000, 1,000 United States dollars. And so let's see the details of this transfer. Said transaction ID is this, remark transferred money USD, etc, etc, money received from. So it showed from whom sent you money. So if you need you are developing a project, maybe you want to open a business like Cheaper Cash, like Clash, what other online payments companies that they help in making making payments for people. So what you just need is this kind of a project. Then the next thing you want to do is you're going to buy a license and you start becoming a third-party banking service provider, which will help people in saving their money, transferring, payment of bills, payment of every other amenities pertaining to bills. So this project is really awesome. So let's proceed in exploring deep about what the admin and the user can really do. So heading back to where we can have our admin logged in. So we've seen, let's go back to the dashboard of the admin right here. So we've seen that we have total of 3 users and total deposit is this. Total currency, so as you can see, so these are the recent users. So let's see profit report. So they've been making, so they made $2,000 on this transaction, they made $22 on this transaction. So these are the profits our bank has been making. So let's go to the transaction report. So for the transaction report, as you can see, this is all what has been going on. So on the managed users, so let's see the managed users. So these are the users we have currently. Then let's say for the managed merchant, so we can create new merchant. So let's add a new merchant and let's call this business name let me call it so let's give this guy a new mail. So let's say this guy is from the United States. So let's just give this guy something close. So let's select a very suitable password. So we're going to re-enter the password to confirm that the input. Alright, so let's click on submit right here and let's see what's going to happen. So this merchant has been created. So let's see what this merchant can really do. So the next one I want to see is, let's say for the agent list. So we can create new agent. So just like the way OPay and Kuda, they have agents that works for them. Okay, like those POS service, most of them are agents. So on this project you can also create an agent. So any person that is registering as a partner in partners party system, they want to help you in making more sales, having more customers, you can create agent, right? And as you can see, that's agent we create right now. So let's quickly create an agent. Let's say this Jeffrey. So let's say this guy is from Nigeria. So contact number, so let's enter password. So I'm going to show you guys how you can set this up, but first I'm going to show you guys how you can make use of this. Okay, let me see. Eniolas Enterprise. So let's say this there's a like POS. This is a POS business name, Enterprise Price Enterprise. So let's see this is person address. So let's click on submit. So we've created this agent. So this agent has been created. So we need register request, fund request. Okay, let's just view what it means. So there isn't fund request, there also isn't. So we're going to log in that agent and see what that agent can also do. So the next section we have is the manage currency. So these are the currency we've created. So any currency if you are setting this up as your business, any currency you have or you can easily trade with, you're going to create them. Okay, you ain't going to create the one that you ain't going to feature. So any currency you can feature is the one you're going to create for your users to make use of. So I guess the currency created here are already enough. So we have Nigerian naira, Japanese yen, Indian rupee, Bitcoin, Bangladesh taka, we have United States dollars, we have European currency, which is Europe, and we have the Great Britain pounds, which is pounds, right? So the next section is the manage current country. So you can manage as many country you want. As you can see, this is the add new button. So you're going to do that. So you can also manage your charges, how much you want to be charging per transaction. So like for transfer money, they say they want to be earning 2% of every money you transfer. For exchange of money, 1%, request of money, 1%, to create invoice, 5%, create voucher, 2%. So these ones are really expensive. These charges are really expensive. And agent cashing commission. So if those agents refer people, just like the way OP is doing right now, they say refer and win 800 naira, refer and win 1,200. So those, if you are also referring like an agent, you're gonna get commission, and the commission assigned defaultly is 10%, but you can go ahead and edit that. 10% is really a whole lot of money, depending on how much his referee is making as his first deposit. Okay, so you can actually change all of this if you wish. So let me just change so that you can see this real quick. So you click on update right here. So from 10% I've changed it to 5%. I may even want to change it to something like 2-3%, because the higher the commission, the more you pay people. Okay, so the next one is, let's see the manage modules. So let's see the modules we have. So for transferring of money, KYC restriction. So the modules right here is for KYC. So those that have not done KYC, if you want to enforce your KYC process, you can choose on all of these modules if you want to enable KYC before that process or that function could be done by the user, right? So like for to transfer money, do you want KYC? The request of money, do you want KYC? Exchange of money, do you want KYC? Withdraw of money, do you want KYC? To create voucher, do you want KYC? Make payments. So if you enable KYC restriction, that means before the person might be able to do any of those functions, he or she might have already submitted his or KYC and must have been approved by the admin, right? So but if you want a flexible business, you don't want the customers to be very upset, or you don't want to give them stress at all, you can disable all of the KYC restriction. But I would highly recommend you enabling those KYC restriction so that it will enable the user's account to be more verified, so that you know if you are dealing with a robot, or you are dealing with a genuine person, or you are dealing with a malicious menace person. So all of these are for security reasons. So next one we have right here is the KYC section. So let's see so we have the manage KYC form. So on this KYC form, we also have the merchant KYC form. So this KYC form, once you edit, so let's edit this one so that you see what I'm saying. So you can add as many fields you want. So I can click on add field. Okay, let me say input, let me say image, right? So I want them to upload the front and back of the ID card. So label, I'll say front ID. Let me say front of ID card required, yes. So I'm going to add that field. The next one, I'll say back of ID card, back of ID card required, yes. So let me see the one currently existing. So front ID card, back of ID card, okay. Description of address, we actually need address, so it will already be gotten from the ID card, so no need of address. So let's see NDN screenshot, we don't need this. We can actually convert this to passport, so let's convert this to passport image. So let's call this passport required, yes. So let's put required. Then the other one should be, let's say, okay, the NIN number. So let's rename this as ID number. So all of these are okay for. So let's tag this very well. ID number. Okay, so it makes more sense now. National ID number, passport, front of ID, back of ID. So this one is okay. So that's how you create your KYC form. If it's for driver license, all your label is going to be on driver's license. Okay, so let's see for users KYC info. So we submitted the two users currently. Now we've submitted their KYC. So let's view their KYC. So once you view it, you're going to see the picture. Once you see the picture, then you gonna approve it if it's correct. If it's not, then you're just gonna disapprove it. You understand? So once you check the users, what they submitted, if it's okay, you approve. It's not okay, you click on reject, and that user will need to resubmit it. So for because it's a tutorial purpose, let's just make it approved. So if you like what we're doing in this channel, ensure you're subscribed so that when you get fantastic project update like this, you're going to be the first to get notified. Alright, so the next one we have is the merchant KYC info. We haven't do that. The next one, let's see all our escrow. Okay, so we don't have any escrow right now. So we also have the manage role. So once you create a staff, you can assign roles and permission that staff will be able to do on your site. Okay, you know, the admin controls the total functionality of the website, right? Staffs will not be able to control total functionality. You can control about, let's say, 50% or 60 or 70 or 80. So this is where this can be happen. So like for the admin permission, so if you click on for admin permission, you're gonna see what the admin can do. So these are all of the functionality of which the admin can do. So anyone you disable, the admin will not be able to work with that. So let's see moderator. So you can create new role. So the moderator cannot do anything, right? So I can go back here. So I want to create a new role, and I'll call that role name manager. So let me call this manager. So I can say the manager can view dashboard info, can check profits, can check transaction, can manage user, should be able to also edit user. You should not be able to manage currency. So those ones you will not want the manager to manage, you let those ones disable. But once you want the manager to manage, you enable it. Like all the KYC section, the manager can manage all of those. Okay, so as you can see, I've been enabling all the KYC functionality. And you should be able to add country. So there are so many. So just select all of those and you update that. So that has been done. So that is how you create roles and permission for your staffs. Then let's see the manage staffs. So you can create a new staff here. So let me call the staff name Herbert. Done. Herbert done. So let me give this guy so let's give this guy a password also. So want to create a manager, so let's confirm this password also. So let's select role. So we're going to select the manager role. So let's call this manager dot Herbert done. So let's click on submit. So we've created a manager, right? So we can also manage the withdraw section. All of what's gonna happen, manage payments, deposits. So let's see deposits. Under deposit, we also have a pending deposit. So you can go ahead and approve or decline, or you reject it. So if you haven't seen the transaction yet, doesn't reflect on your account balance, you can reject it, or you leave it on pending till whenever you've seen the money, or once you've seen the money, you can just approve it. So let's see. So for general settings, under general settings, we have the site settings. So under the site settings, you can see these are all for the site settings. So SMS notification, two-step authentication. If you want that, email notification, know your customer, KYC. Oh, KYC actually means know your customer. Wow, I'm telling this, I'm just getting to hear this, to know this for the first time. I always have it KYC, KYC, KYC. So the full meaning of KYC means know your customer. Okay, to have their ID so that you know their validity as a citizen or whatsoever. Okay, that's good. So email verification activated. That's why we're able to get those verification messages, just like this one. As you can see, all of what we've been doing also will be getting notification. Allow registrant. Okay, let's see this. Allow just by email domain. Allow registration email domain. Okay, those ones are extra. So for the site recapture, you can also set recapture key. Okay, you can enable that even your chat. So let's activate this one. Let's see. But the chat ID, I'm not so sure if is a valid one. So you just have to go to quack.to, create an account with them, get your account ID and paste it right here. Okay, so let's see the next functionality we have. So we have the logo and favicon. Under the logo and favicon, so you come right here and choose the logo of your choice and upload it right there. Then we have the cookies content. So let's see, allow cookies. So for the front end settings, we have the page settings. We have all of those, so you can edit all of the pages, like for the about us page. So if you come right here and click on edit, so it's going to open up where we can start writing text, and you're going to edit all of this, even adding image alongside, just like right here. If I click on enter, I can come right here and insert a picture. I'll just go right here and check for a picture on a copy. So let me look for a picture that flaunt riches or money. Okay, so let me just take this. So as you can see, showed this. So you'll come right here and click on submit. So that is how you manage your pages. So we have the menu builder. So let's say for the menu builder, so you can even create a custom menu. You add the link. You can, that's maybe you create another site and you want to integrate that site with this site. You can just create the menu name and you insert the site link, and once they click on that button on your menu, it's going to redirect them to that particular third-party site added. Okay, so let's see some things we can do. So we also have the site content. So you can come right here and make some changes on the site content, just like the banner. So you click on edit, so you can see this. So this is the banner. So you can make all of this, you can edit all of these statements, make online banking easier. Banking, let me add more easier and comfortable. So get started today. Let me add today. So let's click on submit. So that has been changed. So you can also change this background right here if you wish to. So this site content is extremely very it's very needed. So anything about the front end, this is all where you're going to make the changes. So we also have the email settings. So for the email config, you're going to set up your SMTP. You just set up your SMTP. Then we have the email template. The email template is every function that happens that requires to send a message to the user, such as account verification. The next one, let's say after account verification, deposit, withdraw, KYC approve, all of those things need to be sending mails. So once those are done, it send mails. So let's say what send mail. So money has been transferred successful, you should send a mail. Money received successful, you should send a mail. Money exchange successful, you should send a mail. Money request accepted, you should send a mail. Make payments, you should send a mail. Receive payments, you should send a mail. Receive the invoice, you should send a mail. Balance added by system, you should send a mail. Balance subtracted by system also should make a mail. Request, withdraw request, you make a mail. Escrow refund, fund return. So all of these functions you're seeing on the screen, they should send a mail. So each of them has their own template. So let's see the template of agent cash out. So if you click on it, the edit, so it's going to show the settings of it. Then you can come right here and make some other edits if you wish to. So as you can see, this site is seriously powerful. It's extremely powerful. So you can also manage language to all of the countries you want to business with. You can create the language for each. So for those that are unable to read English fluently, they can switch it to the language of their mother tongue. Okay, so that is for managed language. So support tickets, users can open a ticket with the representatives to clarify an issue going on the site, such as maybe make a deposit and it does not reflect and it has left your account. You want to make a report of the transaction, so they can open a ticket and start chatting with the online customer representatives to resolve the issue. So a lot of this has been said. So if you know you love to have this kind of project, you can contact me to get access to this resource that has been made just for you. So back to the user end. So this is the user end. This is what the users can do: transfer and make requests, exchange, payment, voucher, deposit, withdraw, invoice, escrow, and see transactions also. So this is pretty much. So the next one we're going to do right here is we're going to learn how we can. So this is merchant. So if you want to send to some merchant, so under this also you can create the instance of, you want to say iTunes card, you can create trading platform for your merchant too. And once you send money to your merchant, you write description of what you are sending the money for, and it's going to make the payments for you. Okay, so this is so awesome. So next what we're going to do now, I'm going to show you guys how you can start building up this exact project. So stay tuned as we get started. So as we all know, to get started, the first thing you will need is a hosting and a domain for you to be able to use a project just like this. You will need a hosting and a domain. So my recommendation goes to Namecheap and Web Manager, right? So ensure you get your hosting and your domain from either Namecheap or Web Manager. For now, Web Manager has been doing more better in terms of security, site domain security. The Namecheap, in disclaimer, I have nothing to do with anything pertaining to fraudulent or scam purpose. This is absolutely for educational purpose for those in higher institution that want a project a project file for their project. So we're making this video to help them out to boycott a lot of stress when making their project, but they can just reach us and find a good resource from this particular record. Okay, so if your purpose going to Namecheap is not legitimate, you should not go to Namecheap because you might end up losing your project. But if it's for a legitimate purpose, I highly recommend you using Namecheap. But if elsely and you just want an anonymous project, you can use Web Manager. And the best part of this is that when you use my affiliate link, you're going to get a discount on every service going to purchase on any of the websites mentioned or any of the hosting service mentioned. Okay, you're going to get a very good discount, up to 30% off. So use my referral link. Yes, that is how we get encouraged in doing a lot of fantastic project video just like this. So if you love what you're doing, ensure you use our affiliate link, okay, so that we can benefit from you as you are benefiting from me. So it's a well understood win-win process. So to get started, first thing you need to get is to have an account with any of this hosting company and make a purchase of a hosting and a domain. So I'm going to show you real quick how you can get started. So first thing, you can come right here and click on shared hosting. So you can just choose this. So they have the one of 1/8 per month. So you can click on get started. You can go with the one of 1/8. Then you choose the domain you want. So let me call this Pings. So Pings tutorial is available. So next I'm going to do, I'll just add it to my cart and I'll continue .com. I'll add it to my cart. So that has been added. Next I'm going to do is I'm going to click on continue, and annual I'll pay 21,000, semi-annual 11,000. So just go with the one that suits you the most. And next I'm going to do right here is let's click on continue. So email forwarding, this is free. So I'll just click on, I can go ahead and add this. Since this is 500 ID protection, I will have that. Then I'll click on continue. So I'll be paying the total of 36,200. So I'm going to click on checkout. So once I click on checkout, the next thing that's going to happen is I'm going to make the payment straight away. So once I click on complete order, it's going to prompt me to where I'm going to make my payment. So let's see how it goes. So it has redirected me to the Flutterwave payment page where I'm going to pay my payment, make my payment. So if I click on bank transfer, I'm going to click on pay NG. So it's going to prompt me the account number where I'm going to make my transfer to, and I'm going to pick up my mobile phone and make the transfer. Remember, you must transfer even with the kobo, 0.8 kobo. You are going to transfer it. If you did not transfer the 0.8 kobo, it will report as an underpaid payment and will place for a refund immediately. And this refund can take you 45 days. So you should know what that means. So pay with every single kobo dime attached. So ensure that where you are sending from can send kobo. Like there was a time I wanted to make payment and I used Chipper Cash. Chipper Cash does not send kobo, so I just sent flat and it went on the payment and placed for refund. It took me a long time before I got the money refunded back to my wallet. So ensure you make the complete payment. So it's better you copy the digits and paste and make your payment. So once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is you're gonna see your hosting and your domain in your user dashboard, and you're gonna log in just like the way I'm gonna log in now. So let me log into my dashboard. So let me go to my service. So my service, so that is how it's going to be. Then you're going to click on login to cPanel. So from cPanel, that is where we're going to start our development. So the same process for Namecheap also. So ensure you use any of my referral link. So next thing we're going to go is File Manager. So for File Manager, we're going to upload our script. So yours will be done under your public underscore HTML, but for me, I'll be doing it in a subdomain which I already created. So right now I'm going to delete all that is right here, and I'm going to start from afresh again. So I'm going to click on confirm. So all of this has been deleted. So next I'm going to do is I'm going to upload my file. So this is my file already. So I'm going to show you where I got this from. So this is right here. So it shows that it already exists. Don't replace. I'm going to click on no. So I'm not uploading it. But you also want to start uploading. You're going to ensure that the progress bar reach 100 and the blue progress bar becomes green. Then that's when it has fully uploaded to your cPanel. So you head back to it and you click on the file, right click and click on extract. So once this file has been extracted, the next one to do is you enter into you just go copy your domain, you copy out your domain and you're going to browse it /install. It can be just ordinary like this, then you can type in the install yourself /install and you click enter, and the installation process is going to load up. So as you can see, it has loaded up. So I'll click on continue. I'll click on continue. I'll click on, so we need to configure our database. So right now I'm going to enter so I'm going to create a database real quick. So let's head back to where we can create a database. So let's click on data. So I want to delete the existing database that I've created, or the ones that are no longer useful. This one is no longer useful to me. So I just want to quickly delete the SS database so that I can be able to create more database. So next I'm going to do, go back to data. I'm going to click on database wizard. So was let's say wallet, so we're going to call this wall. I'm also going to use wall. Then you're going to enter your database password. We're going to click on create user. So this user has been created, so I'm going to copy any of these. So I make them same, so anyone copy I can use for both. So I'm going to click on next step. So my database has been created. So next I want to do is I'm going to paste in the database. I'm going to paste in the database and enter my database password. Now click on run install. So my installation is running. So my installation has run successfully. So this is my admin credential and this is my admin password. So let me view my site. So as you can see, our site is up and running. So let's go to the admin section. So let's log in as an admin. So we are logged in successful. So we have quickly set up our project real quick. So if you love what we do in this channel, ensure you like and subscribe to the channel because the channel has a lot to give to you. So at this end, we're going to close this section and I'll see you guys in our next class. Bye for now.